Hello, I'm Moses Jingo presenting to you Project Zero of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So the specification requires us to have 3 pages of the website. The first page is the index page, and the second is the image search page, which is this one. And then we've got the Google Advanced Search page. And then we're also required to have a link that takes us back to the index page for both the advanced search page and the Google image search page, which is this. Further, our specification requires us to be able to query with text on the Google index page, which we can do by searching, for example, World Cup. And we will be taken to the search results of the World Cup, as well as searching with Google Images, querying with something like cars. And then we are given search results based on cars, but these search results are images because we're using the Google image search option. So we've also got the advanced search, where we can search using different keywords depending on the nature of the search that we want to query. So we can search with multiple keywords. We can search with one exact keyword or phrase. We can search with a list of keywords, and these search results should return to us any of those search results or none of them, or search using numbers, a number range. So for example, we could try Cristiano Ronaldo, David Beckham, and when we search, we should see search results based on David Beckham and Cristiano Ronaldo, like that. The same can be, for example, use here any of these words. So we can search either with Cristiano Ronaldo, get search results based on either Cristiano Ronaldo or David Beckham, or we can have a search result returned with none of those words, but let's say Manchester United. Let's try and see if Manchester United can give us any query results without David Beckham or anything. So yes, we also have some search results based on that. So that essentially is how we query. And then we've also got this I'm feeling lucky button here, which can give us random search results based on Google search behavior for that particular button. So this is Project Zero for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thank you.